Are you tired of competing solely on price? Is the relentless race to the bottom affecting your profit margins? Well, today I'm here to tell you that there are better ways. In this video, I will explore the pitfalls of relying on price wars and discuss how to refine your product or service to offer more to your customers. Let's dive into it. Many companies often find themselves engaged in cutthroat price wars. This may be due to razor-thin profit margins, relying on high volumes, or both. Nevertheless, competing solely on price should always be avoided. Therefore, it is crucial to explore ways to enhance your product, solution, or services. A beneficial approach is to gain a deep understanding of your customers' processes, pain points, and the potential consequences they face. Calculating the return of investment can provide valuable insights. Investigate opportunities to develop and refine your solution. For instance, you might consider including a service agreement with your new product sales. It might be necessary to offer the customers better predictability with technology, or explore flexible payment terms, subscription models, enhanced security, and more, all of which can be provided unique value that competitors cannot match. Your sales team plays a pivotal role here. When developing your solution, it's essential to gather as much information about your customers as possible. Understand what your customers can agree to, how your solution solves their problems, and the tangible value it brings to them. The refinement process equips your sales team with additional arguments for negotiation. Creativity and the courage to challenge industry norms can provide a significant advantage. By challenging and disrupting the status quo, you can capture attention and generate interest in innovative concepts. Additionally, refrain from dwelling solely on functionality. Instead, emphasize the value and added value you offer to the customers. Features which can be complex and abstract often fail to capture the interest of investors and may not be easily comprehensible for customers. Simplicity is the key. Always ask yourself, what kind of added value does your solution create for your customers? Press the like button and subscribe if you want to be notified of more insights in doing business internationally like this video. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.